Hi kids! Welcome to Trilingual Kids World. Let's learn English, Mandarin, and Tagalog together.
Let's learn numbers.
1 isa 1 isa 2 Èr Dalawa 2 Èr Dalawa 3 Sān Tatlo 3 Sān Tatlo 4 Sì Apat 4 Sì Apat 5 Wǔ Lima 5 Wǔ Lima 6 Liù Anim 6 Liù Anim 7 Qī Pito 7 Qī Pito 8 Bā Walo 8 Bā Walo 9 Jiǔ Siyam 9 Jiǔ Siyam 10 Shí Sampu 10 Shí Sampu.
Let's clap our hands and move our feet. It's time for numbers, oh so sweet. I know a secret game we can play with. We'll count to 10, starting today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We count it up, we are alive. Let's sing it loud and start again. Look at your fingers, look at your toes. How many numbers everybody knows? Let's see them wiggle, watch them fly. Count with me up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're counting up, we are alive. Let's sing it loud and start again.
Good job, little learners.
You've learned 3 languages today: English, Chinese, and Tagalog. See you next time at Trilingual Kids World. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Goodbye.